Black mat time. This is an Orbital Machining Lego saber. This is the first one that was done, and I did this as a gift to my son for Christmas. So he was very jazzed that he got the first one. This is what the other installs will look like. So I thought I'd give you guys a preview of his, even though it's not leaving his room and he's already got the blade beat up a little bit. But this is a Crystal Shard version 1 version. Here's a green blade with a blue flash and clash. I also made little QDs in there so he can have a blue blade with a cyan colored flash on clash as well. It's a relatively simple mechanical adjustment. I'm not going to show that in the video, but anyway, you can invert the flash and the blade. That's Crystal Shard version 1, like I said, an 18350 battery, and it's one of the TCSS 20. Oh crap! Is it out of? Tell me it's not out of batteries.